my brothers and my sisters to the dog pound. You step into this place, you better come in with a big sound. Rap shit just ain't for the weak, and it ain't for the meek. And if you step up to the mic, you best be careful what you speak. Yo soy la pinche morenita, it's really nice to meet ya. Don't get it fucking twisted, might be small but I'll still beat ya. La Mexican negrita, the one you wanna feature. The mother of the dog pound, so you know I must beseech ya. These are the rules of the dog pound. You messing with the illest and the realest, it's a showdown. Thinking you can kick it, better spit it. We don't do clowns, we don't do no faking and no hating, we just get down. These are the rules of the dog pound. Once you lose the battle, ain't no crying, it's a showdown. Top dog of the pack and all you puppets better bow down. Step into the ring, just know you fighting for the dog crown. Better come into my house with respect. Better come into my house spitting rhymes, breaking necks. Best not step into my house trying to flex. Best not step into my house acting like a fucking mess. Hating on your black brothers cause they next. Hating on your brown sisters cause you fearing they the best. Know your place, show respect and pay your